Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of the animation tutorial of the flipping lamp. Um, we are working on this assignment on creating a lamp flipping animation along with the camera animation which tracks the movement of the lamp. In the last class, we worked on this scene. So the scene fades in, it pans, the lamp comes to life, it jumps, and then we'll work on the remaining part of this project. Okay, so we have around 7 seconds and we have already used up 6 seconds, so we'll need more time. So we'll go to composition settings and I'll make this 17, so we have enough time there to work on the rest of the animation. And because you have increased the time, we need to open this up to look at the hidden layers, and we have to drag all these layers up so they are visible till the end. We want our null object to be visible throughout, and we want our control to be visible throughout. Alright, so once that is done, so the lamp makes its first jump, and now what we will do is we will give like 6 frames for it to rest there. So I'll select these frames and paste it. Okay, now after another 6 frames, we'll make the lamp look down to see what is happening. So I'll move the lamp down and rotate its head in. Okay, so the lamp is there, then it's trying to look around if we can jump. 12 frames, he moves further down, looks around, rotate the lamp head as well. So we'll go 1 frame back and add a rotation key for the lamp head. The next key, oops, that's the wrong one, we want the lamp. Go back here, add a key. The lamp looks that way. Okay, so what happens is the lamp comes down, and what we will do is we will give more time for the lamp. So we'll move this here, go back 6 frames, and we'll try to create a follow through so the lamp looks down. Then we'll copy these keys and paste it. Go to the next frame. So the lamp comes down, there's a follow through, the lamp goes there, and then again there is a follow through, spacing. Paste it. So what we get, jumps, looks down, looks up, and then we'll make it go back to its original position, which is this. Copy this, go to 9, paste it. Okay, so it observes what is happening and further move the lamp looking down, because it doesn't look like he's looking down. Then it comes back. Okay. Once it comes back, by the way, we are going to do the camera animation later on. We will first animate the lamp and then we will focus on animating the camera. We'll add that curves principle there so that the creates a curve when it comes back. Okay, now we have to make the lamp jump. So after it comes back, it's going to retract back. So at 12 frames, we will create the same key which was there, which was this. So I'll copy this, go to 12 frames, paste it, if you want, and change the look of that by making the lamp go back more. Now it will be, this is how many frames? 12, 18, and the lamp is going to jump the air. Then we'll have to copy this key, paste it there. So the lamp jumps, and as the lamp jumps, it also rotates. So we will rotate the lamp by -45. So we'll add a rotation key for the lamp, then add -45 there. Okay, and then we have to make sure that the hand looks right. Okay, so we did that. I'll go to frame number 10. Now, because of the gravity, the lamp will come down slightly. And we'll add 90, so -135. Then we'll make the lamp look right. We don't want the lamp to hit the ground on the table. So after 6 frames, the null will further come down because of gravity and rotate -225. Then we'll make the hand right again. Again, with gravity comes down, goes in the front and rotates it. To make the lamp look right. Okay, so we'll save this scene, and now because we're not able to see it, we will move this. We'll go to one previous frame here, add a key, go to the next frame, simply move it so we can see. I also need to move it up so you can see some ground. Okay, we'll go another 6 frames, and now it will hit the ground. So null object rotation becomes minus 360. It's the ground. Looking up. Rotation is up. So it lines straight, and then one key before here. Now it is trying to find the ground. So again here it is going to try and straighten out. Okay. Then it's found the ground, and after 6 frames it will land. I have to copy this key and paste it here. Okay, and after 6 frames it will come up. And it's looking at the text. Alright, so in the next class we will polish it and finalize the whole thing. Let us look at what we got so far. So hands, the lamp comes to life. So it'll take some time to render, and then we will be able to see it real time. So we'll let it render. You can see that the green line here, it is rendering. It looks around, makes a flip and jumps. Okay. Goes there. Now this is real time. Jumps, looks around, comes back, flips. That's it. Okay. So in the next class we'll polish it and make it look better with the camera movement. Thank you so much.